No. I can see it fully. So I'm gonna knock down it.
No, you go knock it down. I'll hold it. You want me just to hold it like that?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, like that.
Hold it like that. Okay.
Don't move it. Alright. Oh, my accident.
Wait a second, Gabrielle.
Come on. Oh, it keeps on doing that.
No, that was iPad. My mom brought it.
Come on, it would have put to war.
Hey, that was good.
Can I see it?
All right.